Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or get rid of Powered by Shopify. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is you want to navigate to the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Once you've clicked this, you let it load and you will see your theme right here. What you want to do is you want to proceed to click these three dots right here, and then you want to click on Edit Languages. Once you click on Edit Languages, you just want to let it load. Here, in the filter, what you want to search is you want to search for powered, all right? And you will see here, these are the two things that we're looking for, links, powered by Shopify and powered by Shopify HTML. So in the first one, you click on it and then you just click space. And the second one, what you want to do is you just want to remove this text right here and click space. After that, you just click save. And to see that everything went well, you want to click on this view your online store icon right here. And if you scroll down, you can see that you are not going to see powered by Shopify down here. And this is how you get rid or remove powered by Shopify. Thank you for watching.